Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add link in Instagram post. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Instagram. So after you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button. As you can see, this plus button, tap on it to first. So as you can see now, after you tap on this section, all you have to do now, go and select the post that you want to post. So for me, I selected this image. I want to post this image and I want to add a link under this image or on this image. So tap on this next button. After you tap on this next button, all you have to do now, tap on this next again. So after you tap on this next again, as you can see now, in this section, as you can see now, under the post, here is the post now. So under the post, as you can see now, where it says write a caption or add a poll. So all you have to do now, tap on this section. So now all you have to do now, go and paste in your link for your that you want to add under your Instagram post. So as you can see now, I copy this link for bbc.com. So after you tap in your link, all you have to do now, tap on this OK button. So now tap on this share button. So now you can wait it to finish sharing your Instagram post. So as you can see now, here is my Instagram post now. As you can see now, under my Instagram post, here is the link now. As you can see now, here is the link that I just added on my Instagram post. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.